In this video, we will discuss the reversal trading strategy using the ultimate buy and sell indicator. We will demonstrate how to use this reversal trading strategy with the scalping method. However, besides being used for scalping, you can also use this trading strategy for day trading. Hello everyone, welcome to the Scalping Day Trading Strategy channel. The indicator that will be used in this video is one of the most comprehensive buy-sell indicators on TradingView. The ultimate buy and sell indicator is a combination of 5 indicators. The 5 indicators included in the ultimate buy and sell indicator are the moving average, Bollinger bands, relative strength index or RSI, buy-sell signal, and ATR indicator. You can use this trading strategy on all assets such as forex, gold or xauusd, crypto, stocks, and various other assets. So, make sure you stay tuned until the end of this video. And don't forget to support us by liking and subscribing to this channel. Let's get started. To use this reversal trading strategy, you need to access TradingView. Then, go to the Indicator Search tab. In the Indicator Search tab, type the ultimate buy and sell indicator. Next, select the ultimate buy and sell indicator by Sherlock MacGyver. After that, make some adjustments to this ultimate buy-sell signal indicator. Go to the Indicator Settings tab. In the Input tab, there are many things you can adjust in this indicator, such as moving average, Bollinger bands, RSI color, candles, buy-sell signal, ATR fill color zone, and more. However, let's simplify this indicator to make it easier to see. In the Show Hide All tab, activate only the marks for Bollinger band basis, Bollinger bands, and RSI colored candles. For the other tabs, you can deactivate them. Next, deactivate the mark on watch signals. After that, go to the RSI Settings tab. In this tab, change the RSI length to 14. Then, in the Calculate RSI with tab, change it to EMA. In the RSI Basis Moving Average Type section, also change it to EMA. For the RSI length, change the number to 14. Then, go to the Price Bollinger Band Settings tab. In this tab, change the Moving Average Type to EMA. For other settings, leave them at their default settings. Once done, simply click OK to confirm the changes. The ultimate buy and sell indicator will be used as a trend guide in the market and to guide order placement. We will use the colors of the Bollinger Bands indicator to identify the ongoing trend. If the upper and lower Bollinger Bands are green, it indicates a bullish trend. If the upper and lower Bollinger Bands are red, it indicates a bearish trend. However, if you see the color of the upper and lower Bollinger Bands starting to fade, it may signal that the trend is about to change. In addition to being a trend guide, we will also use this indicator to guide order placement in the market. We will use the bullish divergence and bearish divergence methods to place orders. As you can see, if a green divergence line appears, it indicates a bullish divergence. In this situation, your main focus is to find the best point to place a buy order. If a red divergence line appears, it indicates a bearish divergence. In this situation, your main focus is to find the best point to place a sell order. Now, let's add one more indicator that will be used as a signal filter and trend filter in the market. Go to the Indicator Search tab, then type parabolic xauusd. Next, select the default parabolic xauusd from TradingView. After that, make a few settings adjustments to the parabolic xauusd indicator. Open the Parabolic xauusd Settings tab. In the Input tab, leave the indicator at its default settings. Then go to the Style tab. In the Style tab, change the color of the Parabolic xauusd to yellow. Once done, click OK to confirm the changes. The Parabolic xauusd indicator will be used as both a trend filter and a signal filter. If the candlestick is above the Parabolic xauusd indicator, it indicates a bullish confirmation. If the candlestick is below the Parabolic xauusd indicator, it indicates a bearish confirmation. Now let's discuss how to place buy and sell orders using this reversal trading strategy. How to place a buy order. If the ultimate buy and sell signal indicator shows a bullish divergence, this is the first buy signal. Wait for the price candlestick to break out above the Bollinger Band's basis line and ensure that the candlestick closes above the Bollinger Band's basis line. Ensure that the parabolic xauusd indicator is below the price candlestick. As confirmation, ensure that the Bollinger Bands are green and the formed candlestick is bullish. If all conditions are confirmed, you can place a buy order after the bullish candlestick closes. Place your stop loss at the parabolic xauusd point. Target your take profit using a risk-reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. How to place a sell order. If the ultimate buy and sell signal indicator shows a bearish divergence, this is the first sell signal. Wait for the price candlestick to break out below the Bollinger Band's basis line and ensure that the candlestick closes below the Bollinger Band's basis line. Ensure that the parabolic xauusd indicator is above the price candlestick. As confirmation, ensure that the Bollinger Bands are red and the formed candlestick is bearish. If all conditions are confirmed, you can place a sell order after the bearish candlestick closes. Place your stop loss at the parabolic xauusd point. Target your take profit using a risk-reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. How to place a sell order. If the ultimate buy and sell signal indicator shows a bearish divergence, this is the first sell signal. Wait for the price candlestick to break out below the Bollinger Band's basis line and ensure that the candlestick closes below the Bollinger Band's basis line. Ensure that the parabolic xauusd indicator is above the price candlestick. As confirmation, ensure that the Bollinger Bands are red and the formed candlestick is bearish. If all conditions are confirmed, you can place a sell order after the bearish candlestick closes. Place your stop loss at the parabolic xauusd point. Target your take profit using a risk-reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. Make sure to always maintain your money management and trading psychology, as no strategy guarantees a 100% win rate. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you gained new knowledge today. That's it for this discussion, and see you in the next video.